My name is Deeps.
My name is Prem.
And we are the DIY Girls. Welcome back to our channel and we are very happy to have you.
So guys, today we have an amazing and a wonderful and a beautiful DIY for you which will take your fashion quotient up a notch.
And guys, we are very stoked how this DIY turned out to be. It came out amazing. If you see the end result, you will be like, this is beautiful. But before we get to the video, guys, we have a small request to make. We see that there are many views on our channel. However, there are very little subscribers. So, and I see that if you're watching the video, I'm sure you're liking it as well. So if you're liking the video, guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, which is exactly the red button on the right hand side of the video. And of course, like our videos
and do comment.
And also, guys, go ahead and share it with your friends. And also, do not forget to click the bell icon so that you get notified every time we post a new video. So without further ado, let's get back to the video.
So guys, for today's DIY, we need an old dress with a beautiful print, and you can use any fabric of your choice, measuring tape, chalk, elastic, one of 2 inch and one of 1 inch, fabric glue if you don't know how to sew, ruler so that your line comes out straight. That's it, guys. So for the measurement, whatever your chest size is, you can take 10 to 12 inches extra. I am keeping it 50 because I want good frills on my top. And for your arms, mine is 12 and I am keeping it extra 6 to 8 inches. And for the length, guys, I am keeping it 4. If you want to increase or decrease the length, it depends upon you. Since it's an off-shoulder top, so my measurement will start from here and it will end at 18 inches. And I will be keeping 3 inches seam allowance on the top and 1 inch to the bottom. And of course, 1 inch from both the sides. So guys, as you can see, I have done my marking. Okay, I don't know if you can see it or not. But now it's time for us to cut it. So let's start. So this is how our cut pieces will look like. So we have one huge rectangle and we have 2 small rectangles for our hand. So guys, let's start sewing. So we'll stitch our hand first, and what I have done is I have kept both the right sides together and will make a straight line by keeping ½ inch seam allowance. I have done the same thing with my borders. I have hemmed both the sides by keeping ½ inch seam allowance, by keeping my both right sides together, and now we'll be hemming our bottom. So to hem our bottom, what we are going to do is we are going to fold it once, fold it twice, and we are going to stitch from inside, from here. So what we're going to do right now is we are going to build a casing for our elastic. Since our elastic is ½ inch, so we will keep just a little more than ½ inch, and we are going to stitch throughout the circle. So as you can see, I have used a safety pin to thread my elastic in, and now I'm going to hem both the ends together. So I have hemmed the elastic, and now we're going to hem the opening. So we are going to repeat the same thing for a bodice. We are going to create a casing for our elastic by leaving 1 inch opening. So once our elastic is in, we will hem the opening. As you can see guys, our casing is ready, and now we will thread our elastic in and we will hem the opening. Okay, so as you can see, again I'm using a safety pin. So you have to be very careful guys, because you have to hold your elastic also. So guys, we are done with the top, and now we'll start it and show it to you. How does it look? But before that, we have an update. I wanted my sleeves a little long, so we changed the length from 4 inches to 18 inches, and we put elastic on both the ends. And also I did not attach my sleeves to my bodice because I wanted to wear it like a tube top as well. But if you want, you can attach the hand by stitching it hem to hem, and you're done. So now we'll start it and show it to you.
You just come running by. I'm not broken, I'm